This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned green peas updated. Start by draining and rinsing the peas to remove canning liquid and reduce metallic taste. Warm a skillet over medium heat and add butter or oil until it melts and foams. Add peas, toss gently for a few minutes, then finish with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon or herbs for fresh flavor. For a tastier dish, small flavor tweaks make a big difference, and I'll walk you through simple swaps. Sauté aromatics like garlic or shallot first so the oil captures their flavor. Deglaze with a splash of broth or lemon juice to lift the peas off the pan. Stir in a dab of mustard, toss with fresh herbs, and season to taste for a bright, restaurant-style side in minutes. Texture transforms canned peas from ordinary to memorable, and I'll show quick techniques you can use at home. If you want a creamy result, mash half the peas and fold them back in to thicken the sauce. For contrast, reserve some whole peas and stir them in at the end so they stay tender crisp. Finish with a splash of cream or butter for a silky mouthfeel that complements any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.